Welcome to PuntaCanaVilla.com, where tranquility meets modern living. Explore our charming two-bedroom townhouse for sale in Bavaro starting at $126,900, featuring 1,131.3 square feet of comfort and style. With Punta Cana International Airport just 15 minutes away, seamless travel is at your doorstep. Experience beachside bliss with a short drive to Cabeza de Toro Beach and indulge in vibrant nightlife moments away from Coco Bongo. Modern comfort awaits in this townhouse for sale in Bavaro with 2 bedrooms, each boasting its attached bathroom. Relax in the cozy living room, enjoy culinary delights in the modern kitchen, and foster togetherness in the welcoming dining room. Simplify your routine with a dedicated laundry area, and savor outdoor moments on the frontal balcony. Parking is a breeze with 1 designated space, and your very own jacuzzi awaits for a relaxing soak. Ready to make this townhouse for sale in Punta Cana yours? Contact us today at PuntaCanaVilla.com and step into a world of tranquility, comfort, and unmatched living.